In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove item Sam's Club. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to samsclub.com. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully display all the elements. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Sam's Club branding and the main navigation across the top. Now turn your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page. That's where the shopping cart icon lives. If you already have items in your cart, you'll usually see a small number next to the cart showing how many products are currently inside. Click the cart icon to open your cart page. On the cart page, you'll see a list of everything you've added. Take a second to scan through the items, look closely at the product titles, any selected options like size or flavor, and the price to make sure you're focusing on the exact item you want to remove. It's easy to mix up similar items, so this quick review helps prevent mistakes. When you're sure you have the right product, look for the remove option next to that item. Depending on your screen size, it may appear as a text link or a small button near the quantity controls or under the item details. Click remove, the page will refresh and the item will disappear from the list. You should also see your cart subtotal update to reflect the change. If you clicked remove by accident, don't worry. Right after removing an item, Sam's Club typically shows an undo option. It often appears close to where the item was listed or as a temporary notification on the cart page. Click undo to restore the item immediately. This is especially helpful if you removed the wrong product or changed your mind the moment you saw the updated total. Give the page a second to finish updating after you remove or undo. A short refresh is normal, and waiting ensures the cart correctly reflects your changes. Also note that removing an item from your cart only affects your current cart. It doesn't cancel any orders and won't affect anything you've already purchased. You're simply tidying up what you plan to buy next, and that's all there is to it. Go to the Sam's Club homepage, open your cart from the top right, find the item you no longer want, click remove, and if needed, use undo to bring it back. With this quick process, you can manage your cart confidently and check out with only what you need.